This video is a basic but practical guide to meditation. And my friends, if you're watching this video, I'm sure you have tried meditation before. Whether you're a beginner in meditation or an advanced practitioner, I'm sure this video would bring value to your meditation journey. And my friends, stick around until the end of the video to get all the benefits, and we'll discuss a technique which is going to take your meditation to a different level. Over the next 9 days, we'll explore these breathwork and meditation techniques designed to build on each other, creating a solid foundation for lasting peace and clarity. Each session will guide you step by step, starting with mastering meditation postures, breath control, and progressing towards awareness, focus, overcoming thoughts, understanding your emotions, accessing intuition, and mastering your silence. So today in this video, we'll talk about meditation based on breath. So let's begin to understand the basic of our breath and how we can train our mind to do meditation automatically. See, the first thing we have to notice is there is 3 energies in the body: the Ida, the feminine side; Pingala, the masculine side; and Sushumna, which is neutral. And these are 3 channels through which energy flows within our body. See, there's 3 ways you can breathe. One is you can be breathing from your left nostril as a dominant nostril in this moment. When the left nostril is active, the Ida Nadi associated with the moon is more dominant. Our feminine, mental, introvert, reflective qualities amplify in this time, which means your creative mind is going, which means there's too many thoughts going on in your mind. So as you sit down for meditation, you'll notice that there's one thought after another thought going on and on and on, and you cannot focus on meditation. And somehow you give up. And this nostril dominance changes every 90 minutes approximately, depending on your body constitution. Conversely, when our Pingala Nadi, symbolized by sun, prevails, our physical, energetic, masculine aspects become more dominant. We are more extrovert at this time. And if you try to meditate while your right nostril is dominant, you'll feel restless, you'll feel too much energy. You would not want to sit for meditation, but you would want to move around, just do some physical exercise. So yogis back in the day figured this out, and they said the best time to meditate is when both nostrils are balanced, 50-50%. So how do you know which nostril is dominant in your body at this time right now when you're watching the video? My friends, simple technique. Just bring your palms to touch on the bridge of the nose and exhale. And as you exhale, you'll feel one nostril is more dominant because the pressure of the breath coming out is more dominant on one palm. When both are balanced, you have your Sushumna Nadi. So this is considered the best time for meditation. And my friends, naturally during your whole day, there are 3 times in the day when your nostril dominance is balanced. First is in the morning at sunrise. When the sun is rising, you'll start noticing now that your nostrils are dominant. Second one is around noontime, just before you take your lunch. Just notice how your nostril is balanced. The third one is at the sunset. That's why these 3 times are considered best for meditation. But today in this video, I'll give you a technique which was given to us through yogis to balance the nostril at will. We'll practice this breathing technique, pranayama, that'll bring about balance in the left and the right nostril, which would bring your Sushumna Nadi to activate. So without any further ado, let's get into the first technique. First, we're gonna do Kapalbhati, breath of fire, to remove any blockages so the current can start flowing. So let's begin. Find a comfortable position to sit down. If cross-legged is not a possibility for you, you can sit on a couch or a chair, but try keeping your legs crossed. So first, we begin to inhale fully. Exhale fully as you lean back, pull the belly in. Inhale halfway. And now just focus on exhale. As you exhale, stomach goes in. Inhale happens automatically. Little faster. And more time. Two and one, exhale fully. Hold the breath out, pull the diaphragm up, pull the root chakra up, the perineum muscles. And now take a rejuvenating breath. Inhale, hold the breath in. Amazing job, my friends. Now, second set, we get into alternate nostril breathing. So we can balance the Ida and the Pingala, the left nostril and the right nostril. For that, we come into Vishnu Mudra. So bring your thumb, come up, fold the first two fingers, and bring the thumb to your right nostril. Inhale from the left for 4, hold for 8. Exhale for 8. Again, inhale for 4 from right nostril. Hold 8. Exhale 8. Inhale left. Hold 8. Exhale 8. Inhale 4. Hold 8. Exhale 8. Inhale 4. Hold 8. Exhale. Inhale. Hold 8. Exhale. Three more times. Inhale. Hold 8. Exhale. Inhale. Hold 8. And exhale. Inhale left. Hold 8. Exhale right. And now your nostrils are balanced. Now just sit in meditation for a minute. Amazing job, my friends. Now we're going to do the second set of meditation. And before meditation, we'll do alternate nostril breathing again, Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. But in this, we're going to inhale for 4, hold for 8, exhale for 8, and then hold again for 4. So let's begin. Inhale for 4, hold 8, exhale 8. Hold for 4. Inhale. Hold 8. 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 Exhale 8. Amazing job, my friends. So now we're going to sit for 2 minutes of meditation. In this, you're going to watch your thoughts. You're going to become aware of your thoughts coming. If a thought pops up, then you're going to simply become aware and disconnect from this thought. As you disconnect from the thought, you claim your attention back onto your breath. And I'm going to keep reminding you to bring awareness back onto your breath. So let's begin. Good luck. Slowly bring your attention back to your breath. Keep your eyes closed. Continue. Amazing. If your mind has wandered away, bring your attention back to your breath. Amazing, beautiful, my friends. So you have managed to meditate on the breath for 2 minutes. Now that's an advanced practitioner. If you had thoughts coming in regularly, then make sure you continue your meditation. Slowly but surely you'll notice that in 21 days, your mind would be able to focus onto your breath automatically. So my friends, I hope this video brought a little value into your life. If it did, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like button, and send this video to a loved one who can also get the benefit of yoga and meditation in their life. If you're looking to practice longer and dive deeper into meditation, consider signing up for our holistic membership on our website. There, you'll find our practice meditation videos and get access to our comprehensive breathwork and meditation courses. If you want to track your progress, you can download a daily meditation journal from our course materials. Just click in the link in the description below. Until next time, my name is Abhi Dugal. Namaste, peace and love.